Hello everyone. Thank you for your interest in Sangopan. As you might know, we offer consultation, counseling, and therapy services for women in the early stages of motherhood. These services are made available in a combination of a set of plans carefully curated to offer the mothers the specific services that they need most depending upon the phase of their motherhood journey. I will now talk about our two important plans, which are the most popular ones and cover more than 80% of our inquiries that we receive today. These two plans are Nourish and Nurture. The first package, Nourish, focuses on the prenatal stage, the prenatal period from third to eighth month of pregnancy. As the name suggests, this is a period when the mother and baby needs all the nourishment at all levels, physical, emotional and spiritual. This is the most critical period of pregnancy. What a mother needs in this phase of pregnancy is the right guidance on diet, nutrition, and how to watch her physical, emotional, and spiritual condition for the positive impact it will have on the life within her. Our Nourish package includes sessions for Garbha Sanskar, prenatal yoga, lactation, and prenatal massage. The word Garbha Sanskar literally translates to culturing the womb. It essentially means preparing the fetus in the womb appropriately, instill the baby with right thoughts, and help the baby develop into a person with right attitude and actions. This is done by coaching and counseling the mother to curate her thoughts and actions through music, diet, and the right practices during the period of pregnancy. This helps deliver a child who is healthy and happy. We also focus on counseling sessions for the to be father, which makes this different. This will help them be better prepared and proactively participate in the parenthood journey. In lactation consultation, we prepare the mothers with right knowledge required for breastfeeding so that she can advocate for herself when they have to breastfeed their babies soon after the delivery. Also, they will have the right information so that they can ask the right questions with their pediatrician. Prenatal yoga plays a very important part in this phase to maintain the basic physical health and well-being of the mother and the baby. It also helps a mother with the breathing techniques which can be helpful during her labor. Prenatal massage gives all the relaxation from the aches and pains, from the baby bump. The second package, Nurture, focuses on the postnatal stage. As you can see, the name Nurture suitable to this package because you have now celebrated the arrival of your baby and the baby will need all the love and nurturing it can get. During the first 6 months after a delivery, the mother needs to heal, get back to shape, make sure the baby gets proper diet through the mother's milk and the required Ayurvedic massage both for the mother and baby. We offer all these in easy to consume combination of digital sessions and in-person services. We also teach you how to give massage to your baby so that you can continue giving it till the baby is 1 or 2 years old. Breastfeeding is normal and simple, but simple is not easy. The mother needs all the help that she can get to make sure the breastfeeding relationship is established smoothly and in the right way. Our lactation support helps you with that. Sessions of postnatal massage by trained therapists, both for mother and baby, is crucial and a must-have and not a luxury. Mother's diet in the postnatal period impacts the baby and the supply of breast milk and so is different than the prenatal diet. Our session on this takes care of that. We also train mothers to give ongoing massage to the baby, as I have mentioned earlier. All these consultations and counseling sessions can be availed independently as well as a part of a plan. Our physical therapy services right now are available only in Hyderabad and Bangalore. We are working on expanding them to other cities very soon. Another very important point to note here is that all the online sessions and consultations are delivered using our own Sangopan Secure mobile app, which protects all the data and the privacy of the mother. Every mother will find these sessions useful. You can visit our website www.sangopan.com or write to us at info@sangopan.com or call us on 9916487250 to find out more about us. I look forward to hearing from you and allowing us to serve you as your guardian angel in your parenthood journey. Thank you. Namaskar.